How to add a link to your TikTok bio. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the TikTok app and head over to your profile. Next, you need to ensure that you have a business TikTok account set up. You can check if you do by clicking on the lines in the top right hand corner. And on this next menu, you can see I've got the option for Business Suite. So that means that I actually have a business account set up. But if you don't have that option, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Manage Account. And here under Account Control, you can see mine says Switch to Personal Account because I'm currently logged in as my business account. But if I wasn't, and I hadn't already created one, you'd be able to tap on that button and you'd be able to go through the steps to create a business account. So tap on it, create a business account, follow all of the steps. Now once you've created your business account, go back to your TikTok profile. Now you can actually, where it says tap to add bio, you can tap on that, and then you can try pasting in a link in here, but it doesn't always work doing it that way. So another way around doing this is if you tap on edit profile, and then on the option where it says add your email, so you can actually tap on that one and you can actually put a link in here. Then if you put a link in here, you can save it. And then when you go back to your profile, it's going to pull through to the bio area of your profile. However, one condition of doing this is that for a link to appear on your bio, is you need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok, which I don't currently have. So make sure that you have 1,000 followers before you try this out. And that's all it takes to add a link to your TikTok bio. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.